Hello guys, welcome back. If you're using a consumer cellular flip phone and want to know how to turn it on or off, the process is simple but can feel a bit unclear if you're not familiar with traditional keypad phones. Unlike smartphones, flip phones rely on physical buttons and specific key presses to control power functions. Many users press random buttons and get confused when nothing happens, especially if the phone is completely powered down. Once you understand this, turning the phone on or off becomes quick and easy. So, in this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to power your consumer cellular flip phone on and off correctly. Try these. Step 1. Locate the red power or end call button on the keypad. Step 2. Press and hold the button for a few seconds. Step 3. Wait for the screen to light up to turn the phone on. Step 4. To turn off, press and hold the same button again. Step 5. Select the power off option if it appears on screen. Step 6. Wait until the screen turns completely off.